Welcome to Lighthouse Educational Consultants. This is Dr. Bryan. We're going over College 101 math tips, and these are tips to help you be successful with college level math. When you get a chance, click on the link below. Join our email list. By doing so, you'll get a bunch of free stuff throughout the year. So, math tips. First one, use a pencil and have a good eraser. Learn all the formulas. And through math, it doesn't matter if you're talking algebra, trig, calculus, there's millions of formulas. If you don't know the formulas, you're never going to be successful. Learn all the definitions. What does this term mean? What's acute? What's a right angle? What's a right triangle? What's a hypotenuse? All that stuff. You've got to know it. If you don't know it, you are going to struggle in math. Math needs to be neat. And that goes back to that using a pencil and having a good eraser. You've got to have it on a clean sheet of paper. You've got to be able to see what you're doing and correct whenever you make a mistake. Take your time and get it right. Math is not a race, and I've seen this out of a lot of students who, you give them a math sheet, they fly through it as quick as they can and turn it in. Usually the person who turns it in first is not the person who got it right. They just the first person to rush through it all. The person who takes their time and gets it right is a person that's successful. Math is not based on speed. Review your work. Math has this built-in redundancy. You can always review your work. So a quick example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So you could say A plus 2 equals 4. Move the 2 to the other side, A equals 2. You can put that 2 back in. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Pretty simplistic. Do your math homework. And this is a key. And the key is the extra practice helps cement the process. But what we're talking about is let's say you're doing equations. If you do one equation, you may or may not get it right or wrong. You do two, you improve the process a little bit. You do the 20 that your teacher asks you to do, and you're really cementing it. You're really getting all the steps to it. You may find quicker ways to do it. You may find slower ways. I'm not saying that it's going to speed your process up, but what I am saying is you're going to get used to doing it. So when you see that on a test, you're not going to freak out. I've done this 20, 30 times. I should be able to do it. And this is a scheduled thing, but I put it in here because it really helps. Take an easier class with a difficult math class. If you're taking calculus, match it up with a class that you know is not going to take you a lot of time. And one of the things that we discuss with our students who are going from high school into college, you're allowed to make your schedule. You pick the classes, you match them, and you can do whatever. The order you take them in, a lot of times, your freshman ones, you're free to kind of float around. You have sophomore, junior, senior. You have prerequisites for that. But in the beginning, you can take a wide variety. Take an easy class. Take something that is relaxing. Take something that you know you're not going to be pressured. And the reason why is the math class is going to take extra time. The easier class is not. It's probably going to take less time than what you really need. So the time that you could be spending in that easy class, you can devote to your math class. Thanks for coming by. Look for other Lighthouse products. We have many on goal setting, time management. We have some college and some elementary stuff. Please click on the link below and sign up for our email list. By doing so, you're going to get access to 4 free webinars. Plus, you're going to get coupons and different articles that we find or videos we find that we think are important. We send it out to our membership. And good luck in reaching all your educational goals.